Now, you know, ceramic tile is something that's been a constant presence in bathrooms for many, many years. Sometimes people use it just on the floors, sometimes, like in this case, both on the floor as well as all of the walls. Now, it's not easy picking out ceramic because there's so much to choose from. Cindy, now how do you help homeowners make the right decision with all the ceramic that's available?
Well, first of all, Danny, we have to ask them which areas of the house that the ceramic's going in, and do they want a dressy tile or more of a casual look, the different textures. There's just so many things that we have to take into account.
Yeah, you know, with the different tiles, with some having patterns on them versus a solid type of tile is a decision, and also the edges. A lot of them are very straight edges, others have kind of a ripple edge to it, so I know that all that plays into it. Also, whether to go with porcelain or regular ceramic. What's the difference and what do you prefer?
Well, I prefer the porcelain tile. The color is all the way through on the porcelain tiles versus the ceramic is just a clay backing. So if you chip the tile, you're liable to see the red clay.
And also when you're working in a bathroom like we're working in, where you have a lot of outside corners, it's hard to make that look very good.
It is. The bath project we're working on now, we used all porcelain tiles, which had some wonderful bullnose pieces that have the finished edge that we can put on the tiles.
Oh, that'll help a lot when you line that up to cover up that edge. Yeah, that'll be great. Now, working with all these different sizes within the same room, that's got to really flow together, or it really got to look bad.
Right. We used a lot of different tiles here, different manufacturers. We put the 18-inch on the diagonal on the bathroom floor.
That always looks good.
Oh, it made the bathroom look so much bigger. And then we did the 13-inch actually on the diagonal in the shower walls with the bull nose, worked in a pretty border, and then we used the 3x3 mosaics on the shower floor.
I guess that's important too, just for pure texture on the bottom of the shower. Having that is a little better, and I guess easier to work with than the actual larger tiles.
Oh yes, we have to slope the tile down to the drain so that it drains well, and just put everything together, and just a lot of fun.